Warning, asphaltic materials and tools are hot. Serious injury may occur if caution is not exercised when handling the equipment and materials. Personal protective equipment must be used at all times.
Okay, this is Arizona 410, Marshall Compaction, and also stability and flow. The size of sample we need, procedure says 1150 plus or minus 50 grams would usually be sufficient. But actually what we're looking for is for after compaction, that we have the sample that is a height of 2.300 to 2.700. All our equipment is approximately 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Includes the molds and the face of the hammer. We have those. We're going to grab our mold, put a disc in the bottom. We have our sample here. And when we compact it, we're going to compact it at compaction temperature. That is per the mix design. We get that off the mix design. You place it in one lift. Try and making sure that you don't get it segregated. Good mix, good flow. We're going to spade it 15 times around the perimeter of the mold and then 10 times in the middle. Then you slightly round the top. Place the disc on the top. Now we need to check to make sure we're still within plus or minus 5 degrees of our compaction temperature. If not, put it back in the oven for a maximum of 1 hour. We put it in there just long enough to get it up within plus or minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit of our compaction temperature. Once we are at compaction temperature, we can come over here and start doing our compaction. Place it in the machine. We're going to compact it 75 blows per side. So start the first one. "75 blows." Lift the sample over. My 75 blows on the other side. Okay. Come back over here. Need to immediately remove the paper disc. Now we're going to put this in front of a fan to cool it off. Okay, so now we have cooled our sample enough so that we can handle it. We need to extrude it. When we extrude it, being careful not to develop any tensile stresses in it and not to scratch the side. going to brush the ends to remove any ridges there on the ends. Brush it with your hand. And then now we need to get the height of it. This is a 2-inch spacer. Put it under there, zero it out. Sample in there. Get the height. Again, you record that height to the nearest 0.001 inch. Has to be between 2.300 and 2.700. And we're going to put it into our water bath. The water bath is at 140 plus or minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to put it in there for 30 to 40 minutes. Start our timer. Let it set in there for 30 to 40 minutes. During that time, we need to make sure that our apparatus is clean and that it's lubricated. Got it well lubed, it's clean. I'm going to remove it from the bath. It's been 30 minutes. Remove it from the bath. Towel dry it real quickly. Put it into my ring. Test it. It has to be done within 30 seconds. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Take the sample out. Quickly towel dry it. Center it on your apparatus. Go ahead and begin the test. The test is done when it reaches its maximum stability, which is now. Now it starts declining. That 30 seconds comes from the time you take it out of the bath to the time you reach your maximum stability. Now, the stability is reported to the nearest 10 pounds, and the flow is reported to the nearest 0.01 inches. We do that for 3 of them. Do the average of the 3. The average, again, is reported to the nearest 10 pounds, and the flow is 0.01 inches. There's also a correction for the height. That's about it.
Please be sure to review all of the materials available in your Asphalt Technician Certification Workbook.